She's among millions affected by the new rules, but it can still feel lonely. Katie works from home in South London and brings up her son, Arthur, alone. So the ban on them meeting others indoors will be particularly tough.
The thought of it fills me with dread already. I work on my own. I run my own business on my own. I'm completely on my own. I don't have a partner. I've suffered from anxiety quite a lot over the last few months.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
But in the Commons this morning, the Health Secretary insisted there was little choice.
We must act now. Delayed action means more deaths from COVID, it means more non-COVID deaths, and it means more economic pain later. I know that the people of this country want to control the virus, to protect their loved ones, their lives and their livelihoods.
The areas moving into Tier 2 are London, Essex, Elmbridge, Barrow-in-Furness, York, North East Derbyshire, Erewash and Chesterfield, meaning more than half of England's population will be under tighter restrictions. The changes start on Saturday and include a ban on households mixing indoors, whether at home or in pubs or restaurants. The rule of 6 remains outdoors, and people should avoid public transport at busy times. It means restaurants and pubs in those areas can remain open. It's just friends or families can't mix inside them.
Here in Soho, many restaurants have put tables outside, so up to 6 people from different households could still meet here. But as winter encroaches, that'll be less appealing, and business leaders say it'll be devastating for London's huge hospitality sector.
Just today, the pub group Marston's announced it's cutting more than 2,000 jobs, blaming ongoing restrictions like the 10 p.m. curfew. Fuller's has 160 pubs in London, but the boss says they'd now be better off if the government ordered them to close.
Unfortunately, that's exactly what the best outcome would be. The government needs to be honest with us. If they want us to close, tell us to close, give us the financial support so that we can protect jobs and make sure we don't send 1 million people to unemployment. But don't just leave us in no man's land. In Tier 2, you get the worst of both worlds.
Meanwhile, a vital tool in combating the spread of the virus, the NHS contact tracing system, just recorded its worst ever week. Rebecca Barry, ITV News.